So Maria, what are you making?
Well, Sean, what we have here is a French crepe, right? It's Sunday. It's 4 o'clock almost. Everybody's still asleep. We're gonna wake them up with some DELISH French crepes. Today we got ourselves a French expert on crepes.
Hey, bonjour, bonjour.
Bonjour.
So how's the crepe making looking so far, Audrey?
I'd say, okay, it looks like a French crepe. I don't know if it's gonna taste like a French crepe. No,
That's
it's very
a good question.
It's very good.
We can test that out in about a minute, I think. Yeah.
So what you use for the mixture, Maria?
Well, I put in 3 eggs, right? 4 and extra teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. I mix those up, and then I put in the 2/3 of milk. No, 400 milliliters of milk, 200 milliliters of water, and a cup and a half of flour. And a tablespoon of melted butter.
And what kind of flour? Just
plain Irish flour.
Flour.
Yeah.
Does our French supervisor okay with Irish flour?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Cool. And what are you going to put on the crepes?
Well, Sean, that depends only on you, I suppose.
I'm more of a savoury person.
Okay.
Oh, the moment of truth. The moment of truth. Oui, nous, non.
Yeah.
Thumbs up, très bien.
It's a little too floury, not sweet enough, I think, no?
No, it's
Yeah.
okay.
Well, I'm heavy savoury, so it's okay. Well, we better sit down and enjoy our crepes.
Thanks Maria, Sean and Audrey. We're from the Asana School of English and we hope you enjoyed that video. So let's look at a few of the words that we heard in the video. First of all, a crepe is a thin pancake, as you can see in the picture. We make crepes, we make bread, we make pizza, we make coffee and tea, etc. Speaking about time, it's 4 o'clock, it's 2:30, it's 7:15, it's 25 minutes past 2. In the video we heard everybody's still asleep. Note that everybody is singular. Everybody is still asleep. Everybody's still asleep. We're gonna is informal and it means we're going to. Delish is an adjective and it's an abbreviation of delicious. Listen to the difference. It's delicious. It's delish. And delicious means tasty. So the crepes are delicious. The crepes are delish. It looks like a French crepe, and this means that it appears to be or seems like a French crepe. We don't know if it is a French crepe, but it has the appearance of a French crepe. It tastes like a French crepe means that it has the same taste as a French crepe. You can see a picture of flour. It's a powdery ingredient, usually made from cereals like wheat, maize, rye, barley or rice. Savoury is an adjective. It means that a food is salty or spicy and not sweet. We'd better, or we had better, means that we should do something. We'd better go to the bank. We should go to the bank. Or it's a good idea if we go to the bank. So thank you very much for watching our video. We really hope that you have learned some English from watching it. And we'll be making lots of other videos like this. So please let us know what you think of this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.